Pentium 2 processor is Intel's next-generation processor with MMX technology. PC platforms with the Intel Pentium 2 processor are providing users with new and exciting capabilities like lifelike 3D games, high-quality DVD video, and home video editing. The Pentium 2 processor provides consumers the highest performance of any of Intel's processors. The Pentium 2 processor also has MMX technology, making it a great choice for rich 3D graphics and multimedia. The Pentium 2 processor provides a complete, balanced platform. It delivers the raw power for office productivity applications, new levels of performance for video and digital creativity, and awesome, realistic 3D graphics. When consumers step up to the Pentium 2 processor, look what they can do. In this video, we will cover the advantages of the Pentium 2 processor. Specifically, we will explore how the Pentium 2 processor brings a new level of realism to 3D applications, how the Pentium 2 processor and a DVD drive deliver newer and more exciting interactive software titles, and how the Pentium 2 processor empowers users to unleash their creativity. The Pentium 2 processor offers new levels of 3D processing power at very affordable price points. The Pentium 2 processor's unique architecture allows software vendors to pack their titles with very detailed content. For example, Redline Racer, shown here, immerses the player into a snowstorm. Realistic skids, limited vision, and lifelike snow all combine for a great gaming experience. It's so real, players feel like they're part of the action. Look at the comparison here between a Pentium processor with MMX technology running at 200 MHz versus a Pentium 2 processor running at 300 MHz. Both systems are playing Quake 2, an application that demands high levels of processor performance. Notice the higher quality of play from the system on the right. The Pentium 2 processor-based system provides very smooth animation, even with detailed graphics quality. With the new generation of games on the market, the Pentium 2 processor significantly enhances the gaming experience. Again, here is a comparison between a Pentium processor with MMX technology running at 200 MHz versus a Pentium 2 processor running at 300 MHz. The Pentium 2 processor on the right is not only significantly faster, but the choppy and slow game on the left is almost unplayable. In addition, the game on the left does not have background music because the Pentium processor with MMX technology does not have the power to process both the complex 3D graphics and background music. Obviously, the Pentium 2 processor-based machine offers a more complete platform. The two previous examples illustrate the new level of 3D performance provided by the Pentium 2 processor. Consumers should look for three major attributes when comparing 3D performance. The first is the smoothness of the graphics. Objects, whether people, cars, planes, or spaceships, should flow across the screen. The game should not exhibit jerkiness or sudden pauses in the action. The second attribute consumers should look for is detailed graphics. In the past, software designers have had to make trade-offs between fluid graphics animation and detail. The Pentium 2 processor has reduced the number of trade-offs needed. Software now contains both fluid graphics with fine detail. G-Police, shown here, makes great use of the Pentium 2 processor's power. Notice the smoothness of the video billboards even during action-packed combat scenes. Also, all of the objects in the game have realistic rounded edges. Blocky, jagged edges can be an indication of poor 3D graphics. The third attribute consumers should look for is realistic effects. In this scene, notice the detailed and realistic-looking skyline. With effects like these and the sun glares here, Pentium 2 processor-based PCs will change consumers' outlook on computer games. To review, the Pentium 2 processor provides an awesome platform for 3D graphics. Consumers can identify these awesome features by looking for smooth graphics animations. Detailed graphics, and realistic effects like rain, snow, fog, and dynamic lighting.
I don't think there's anyone out there.
Then I'm getting double pay for this. Call my agent.
DVD technology enhances the end-user experience with very high-quality video and audio. Many consumers know of DVD movie players, but DVD on the PC provides even more exciting uses. DVD discs look similar to a CD-ROM, but the latest DVD discs hold as much information as 10 CDs. Best of all, DVD drives can read CD-ROMs, which means consumers do not need to throw away older software titles. With DVD, users gain two major benefits: high-quality MPEG-2 video playback and high-quality interactive software. DVD movies using MPEG-2 video provide higher quality picture and sound than a VCR. The Pentium 2 processor provides the horsepower required to smoothly play back the MPEG-2 video with crisp audio and still deliver a platform that hits mainstream price points. Because DVD discs hold a tremendous amount of data, software vendors can write incredibly detailed and robust software. The example shown here is called Animal Planet. Animal Planet allows users to explore plants and animals from around the world. The software title includes facts about different habitats, as well as video of members of the animal kingdom. The DVD format provides the vast amount of data and video. The Pentium 2 processor provides the power to play back the rich content. The Pentium 2 processor and DVD technology complement each other to enhance the educational experience. The PC brings books alive through sight and sound. This next application, Eyewitness World Atlas, is yet another example of the amazing content available with the Pentium 2 processor and DVD. It allows users to explore the world through 3D topographical maps, country facts, country statistics, and MPEG-2 videos of different cultures. In addition to taking advantage of MPEG-2 video, this application also utilizes the Pentium 2 processor's power for 3D performance. Notice the detail in the mountainous landscape. This title provides a topographical view of the entire world, and without the Pentium 2 processor, the smooth rendering of the landscape seen here would be impossible. DVD delivers more than just high-quality video. With up to 10 times the storage capacity of a single CD-ROM, DVD titles can pack very detailed graphics into a single disc. This example, Buster and the Beanstalk, shows detailed cartoon animation just like the cartoon seen on television. Again, the Pentium 2 processor provides the power for smooth, high-quality animation. Titles such as Buster and the Beanstalk make Pentium 2 processor-based PCs interactive and fun.
Excuse me. Hello? Webster's. Interactivity. The adjective of the verb interact. To act with each other. In this case, that would be you, and that would be me.
To review, the Pentium 2 processor provides the power to take advantage of DVD software titles. The Pentium 2 processor provides the power to decode high-quality MPEG-2 video.
4,000 mountainous islands. With building land at a premium, most people live in crowded...
And the performance to play back educational software with integrated video.
Humpback whale.
And the ability to play back rich, detailed graphic animation.
We're off.
Creativity on the PC includes digital photography on the PC, composing music on your PC, and creating cool websites and multimedia emails. Creativity is also the next step in the video revolution, home computer editing. Plug your video camera into your PC and create better versions of your home movies. The Pentium 2 processor brings new and exciting uses to the PC. With the widespread availability of creativity applications, consumers now have easy ways to edit images and video on their PC and then share them with family and friends. The Pentium 2 processor makes the manipulation of images and videos easy and much faster than previous generations of processors. Creativity on the PC includes home video editing, digital photography, and music creation. Let's take a look at some of these more closely. Most consumers have experienced the disappointment of receiving pictures that were too dark, too light, or even blurry. However, with a Pentium 2 processor-based PC and imaging software, users can bring the darkroom to their home and easily enhance their photos. To import their pictures into the PC, users can use a digital camera, a scanner, or even download them from the internet. Once the pictures are in a Pentium 2 processor-based PC, manipulations of photos is not only fun, but easy.
Shakespeare the Saint.
Companies like Intel are making creativity easy for consumers. The software shown here is Intel's Create and Share camera pack. Create and Share, combined with the Pentium 2 processor's power, allows users to capture video messages and then ship them off in an email to family and friends. There are so many moments that we want to record and remember. First steps, smiles, words, anniversaries, birthdays, holidays, and some we want to forget. The camera left inadvertently on, shaky camera moves, the less than picture perfect moments. With an affordable Pentium 2 processor-based PC and easy-to-use software, anyone can shoot video, capture the images in the computer, and piece together the best moments. It's as simple as plugging your camcorder into a computer that has the Intel Pentium 2 processor and reviewing your tapes. Then you load the best scenes into a Pentium 2 processor-based PC, create transitions, add graphics, and even add music. The Pentium 2 processor-based PC and video editing software make you the director and editor. This software, powered by the Pentium 2 processor, is MGI Video Wave. Video Wave allows consumers to direct and produce their own home movies. Users have the ability to add transitions, text, and music. In the past, processors have struggled to meet the high-performance requirements of video. Today, however, with the Pentium 2 processor, users can preview their video creations while they work without waiting long periods of time for the processor. With only a little practice, home movies like this are easy to produce. The Pentium 2 processor brings new levels of performance to consumers. The Pentium 2 processor allows consumers to enjoy new applications like realistic 3D games, DVD movies and content, and creativity applications. The power of the Pentium 2 processor provides realistic 3D graphics. The Pentium 2 processor allows for lifelike effects like dynamic lighting and sun glares, rain, snow and fog, and high-resolution smooth animation. The power of the Pentium 2 processor brings DVD content to the PC. The Pentium 2 processor provides the power to play back high-quality MPEG-2 video and rich interactive DVD software. The power of the Pentium 2 processor brings fun and exciting creativity applications to consumers. The Pentium 2 processor makes digital photography and home video editing faster and easier.